What is the right pronunciation for the letter G? Let's find out. Hi there and welcome to my channel. I am Carlo and this is my class for beginners. In this video we are going to see how to pronounce properly the letter G. This video is part of a series aiming at improving your pronunciation. If you like it and want to stay updated, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. And now, the letter G. Are you ready? Let's get started. The letter G has two possible sounds, a hard sound and a soft one. When G is followed by A, O, U, we have a hard sound. These are some examples. Gatto, Gabriele, Garda, golf, gola, Gorizia, Gucci, gufo. When G is followed by the letter H, we also have a hard sound. Ghiaccio, ghiacciolo. Conversely, when G is followed by E, we have a soft sound. Gita, giallo, gelato, Genova. That's it for this video. I hope you like it. Please like it. Please share it, like it, leave a comment, subscribe to my channel, and see you next time.